In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print empty grid lines in Google Sheets. This process is quite straightforward, and by following just a few simple steps, you'll be able to get a clean, easy-to-read printout, complete with grid lines, even when your spreadsheet cells are empty. Grid lines can be incredibly helpful for maintaining organization and clarity, especially when you're dealing with large sets of data or when you're planning to take notes on a printed document. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Sheet. If you haven't already set up one, now is the perfect time to start. Once your Google Sheet is open and you're viewing it on your screen, we'll begin setting it up for printing. Next, you're going to go to the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your document. From this menu, you'll want to select the Print option. It's usually near the middle of the drop-down list. Clicking Print will open up the Print Settings window, where you can adjust various preferences related to how your document will look once printed. Once you are in the Print Settings, there's a section called Formatting that you need to find. This section allows you to customize the appearance of your spreadsheet in the printed form. Click on Formatting to proceed. Now, one of the options within the Formatting section is Show Grid Lines. This is the key setting for today's task, as it lets you include grid lines in your printout even if the cells don't contain any data. You'll want to make sure that this option is checked. By default, it may not be selected, so give it a check to activate those grid lines for your upcoming print job. Next, after you've adjusted your settings in the formatting section, go ahead and look for the Next button, typically located at the bottom or the top of the print preview window. Clicking on this will finalize your settings and bring you to the final print screen where you can review everything once more. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Print. This will send your Google Sheet to the printer with the empty grid lines intact for a polished and neat result. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can print your Google Sheets with grid lines, ensuring that your blank spreadsheets are still as organized and helpful as those that are filled with data. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these steps a few times to get the hang of it. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.